Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. We are on the Market Intel website. By the way, take a look at our link that you can find in the description. It takes you to dailymarketupdate.com. Here you can register for free and you receive daily Elliott-Wave updates. For example, about oil, stocks, cryptocurrencies, the Nasdaq, gold and the S&P 500. Today, we take a look at a stock, and I would like to share with you the American Waterworks chart. When you click on it, you can see here the written technical analysis together with support, resistance areas, and targets. Now, what we'd like to do, we want to take a look at the daily chart first, or actually the 2-day chart. We'll click on it, then we hide the text. And this is a stock that reacted very nicely to our trading area very recently. But the reason I share that chart with you is there could be another opportunity around the corner. Yes, it's only in the alternative scenario, but if it happens, it might provide another short-term swing trading opportunity. At the moment, we take a look at our long-term chart, and you can see that in 2022, wave 1 completed, here highlighted in white. Then the market started a very long-term pullback actually in what we consider basically a larger ABC structure. So if wave 1 completed in 2022, then this wave 2 is still unfolding. It's a very long-term correction that's currently unfolding. The structure of the pullback is very corrective. So what happened over recent months, so actually since 2022, it's very much overlapping price action throughout. The way we see the structure can be described as a flat structure. So you see here that was end of 2022, the market bottomed in wave A. It's actually gray wave A. Then now the market could be in this B wave. It looks very much like a so-called flat structure. Could be a running flat structure in which the C wave ends below the A wave, but it looks more like an expanded flat. At least an expanded flat is a more common pattern. And in this scenario, the C wave should end above this A wave. So we should see a C wave rally in the coming weeks and months. Before then, once this gray B wave tops, the C wave to the downside should unfold. It would probably take quite a long time due to the wave degree here. It's a pretty much long extended correction, and it's a high wave degree, so it will take a while for it to complete. This C wave obviously hasn't started yet, and at the moment we focus mainly on this gray B wave. Now, as I said, within the gray B wave, we have an A wave and a B wave recently completed in our trading area, which we shared with you. It's basically a support zone where we forecasted the price to reverse. The support levels here are between $113.53 and $127.19, and the market turned around exactly where it needed to. Now, what is this short-term opportunity I mentioned? So first of all, here on the 2-day chart, you actually see that once this gray B wave is complete, essentially the C wave in wave 2 will, but it will take a long time, will provide another swing trading opportunity, but that is far out. So more short term, if we go to the 2-hour chart, we can see this trading area in more detail. And you can see that in our primary scenario, which we assign a 66% probability, the B wave already bottomed and the C wave of the gray B wave is now unfolding. But first of all, the market needs to confirm this with a more convincing break above the resistance level here at $132.87. And then the market should start to move up towards the next resistance level at $161.91 over the coming weeks and months. But in the alternative scenario, we could see another dip into the support area, which would then likely stretch out all the way down to $106.48. Yes, we give it only a 34% probability, but still it's something you might want to be aware of just in case it happens, so that you can actually look at potential entries in this zone. If that happens again, it would be a more complex corrective pattern, and the market just hasn't done enough to the upside to fully confirm that this B wave has already bottomed. It's currently the assumption. We give it a higher probability, but markets are non-linear and we have to be flexible here because the resistance isn't broken. So this is a potential opportunity, yes, only in the alternative scenario, but still it is something we want to prepare for if it happens. If it doesn't happen, then ideally everybody who wanted to get a position got a position in our trading area and could just now focus on managing risk while this C wave to the upside unfolds. That's the update about American Waterworks. So hope you liked the update. Feel free to check out our website dailymarketupdate.com, and thank you very much. Bye-bye.